Now let's take a look at how to set environment variables from the UI. So I'm going to go to my repository and then settings and then click on secrets and variables, actions. And over here, I'm going to click on variables tab, click on new repository variable, and I'm going to name my variable as app mode to debug. And you can set whatever you want for this example, doesn't matter. And here are some of the variable naming conventions. The variable names may only contain alphanumeric characters. It cannot start with a number and it cannot start with a prefix GitHub underscore. So let's click on add variable. Now I'm going to go back to my workflow, edit, and we can now print our environment variable here. So I'm just going to over here, I'm going to set my environment variable. Let's just say app underscore mode. And then I'm going to use dollar symbol vars app underscore mode. So if you want to access a environment variables, you have to environment variable, you have to use vars dot the variable name. And now I'm setting a environment variable app underscore mode, reading the environment variable of the repository. And then in the run section, I'm going to say this is app underscore mode. And let's click on commit changes. And let's look at our workflow run. And you can see it printed the mode debug. So that's how you can set an environment variable in the UI. And then we saw in our workflow file how to reference that environment variable.